Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the art of speech making with a focus on the most critical step, creating a speech outline. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and for more updates, hit the bell icon. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why a speech outline is your best friend when it comes to public speaking. Imagine navigating through a forest without a map. That's what delivering a speech without an outline feels like. A well-crafted speech outline ensures you hit all your key points and maintain a logical flow, making your message clearer and more impactful. Whether you're a seasoned speaker or stepping onto the stage for the first time, a speech outline is essential. It helps you organize your thoughts, supports your main idea, and provides a roadmap for your speech, ensuring you cover everything you want without missing a beat. Now, let's highlight the benefits of following a speech outline. Not only does it make your speech more coherent and easier to follow, but it also smoothens transitions between points, enhancing overall engagement. Plus, it's a great time saver during preparation and helps reduce speaking anxiety. And remember, the speech outline isn't just about the content, it's about connecting with your audience effectively. From the preparation outline to the speaking outline, each type serves a unique purpose in making your speech memorable. So, how do you follow a proper speech outline? Start with a catchy title to grab attention, define your topic clearly, and state your purpose. Don't forget to craft a compelling introduction, structure the body of your speech with supporting points, and conclude with a strong call to action. And always appreciate your audience and host. Remember, mastering the art of speech making starts with a solid speech outline. It's your blueprint for success, enabling you to deliver your message with confidence and clarity. So, don't underestimate its power in your next presentation. That's a wrap on today's guide to crafting an effective speech outline. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Until next time, keep speaking your truth and making an impact. Thank you for watching.